Completely waterproof. This is a marine speaker that's completely waterproof and can be used for several vehicles because it can withstand heavy water splashes and other outdoor conditions. 150 watts power. The speaker has a 20 ounces circuit magnet for a full-range audio and complete stereo speaker sound system. The power output is 75 watts RMS, 150 watts peak. It has a frequency response of 80 Hz to 18 kHz and 4 ohms impedance. Weather resistant. It's a weather-resistant speaker made of polypropylene cone with cloth surround for a rugged and durable design. It is also engineered with heavy-duty molded ABS plastic basket and grille construction to combat sun damage. Low-profile design. Constructed with a low-profile design with 1-inch aluminum voice coil that can be easily used on boats, marine watercraft and other vehicles. The classic silver look also gives extra style to the vehicle. 6.5 inches standard size. These marine speakers are easy to install with 6.5 inches standard size, complete wirings and mounting hardware. It has a universal standard OEM replacement size with a mounting depth of only 2.48 inches and cutout size of 5.31 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome speaker. This is awesome speaker, performs great for the money. It's waterproof like the ad says. The quality keeps up with any head unit. I'd recommend this product.